So today we're excited to show off our bidirectional Git sync. Let's try to demo it as fast as possible. First up, we're creating a new Git repo. We actually dog food this for SiteBay.org ourselves. This is where we'll store all our WordPress files. With the repo ready, make sure you create at least one file, which sets up your main branch. I'll add a .gitignore with backups and upgrade because nobody needs that. We'll now link it directly through our GitHub app. Now go to my SiteBay and click Settings and then Git Sync and click Install GitHub app and just allow access to the one repo we created. So now click Create Git Linked Site and we'll set up a new WordPress site that's linked to this freshly created repo. The app always uses your default branch, so now any changes you make in the Git repo on your main branch will automatically sync to your live site and vice versa. I'll just punch in some values for the WordPress site here. And so we have a backup file we'll restore from. Now we'll use WP all-in-one migration. You can find a free link in the description. We had problems using the actual plugin section in our WordPress admin site to restore. So we'll use code server in the My SiteBay dashboard and just drag and drop the .wpress file into our backups folder and run the restore command from the terminal. And let's wait a few minutes for that to finish. Now we can see our files were synced to our repo. So now I'll update a file in the GitHub repo called from Git, and we see how this change is also on our WordPress site. So if you want to safely work on your site without breaking it, we recommend deving on a staging site. I'm creating a new branch in our repository named Staging. This is where we can push our test changes without affecting the live site. I'll set up a stage site connected to this staging branch. Your staging site is protected with a password you can find in your dashboard. So now I can merge changes from the staging branch back to the main branch. SiteBay detects when you merge from your staging branch and triggers a sync of the staging database to your live DB. So now you can use Git without actually having to run any Git commands.